Hi, I'm Ronnie Plout. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Air. Welcome to our new facility. Let me show you around. This is our mechanical team. We have a lot of flight testing. A lot of things are still packed, but we are growing as we speak. One of our teammates. This is our design studio up and running. Propulsion team, the harness here and the flight control system. Hardware in the loop, software in the loop. The production facility was designed to be streamlined. This is still the manual production facility. We have some subscale aircraft. We're testing all of our software and hardware on a subscale. This is one of our laboratories. We're building all of the flight control systems and all of the electronics in-house. This will be automated and done by one of our Tier 1 suppliers with time. The facility is 30,000 square feet. We can fly some of our units inside. We have our shop floor where we do some carbon fiber activities, especially for our subscale. What you see here is our first production prototype, which was used by one of our customers and just came back for service. Our batteries are being produced in-house. We are integrating the batteries in another facility. These are batteries that are for storage before integration into the aircraft. Each one of those stations will have one aircraft in assembly. We're currently testing one of our units that is going to one of our customers. This is still an unmanned version. The flight of the manned version will happen in July this year. This is aircraft number 12, if I recall correctly. This one is tested on the ground before flight testing. We're going to flight test this one within a week or so. Our storage facility is fairly small. We have a very lean production. Everything, all the subsystems are coming in from our Tier 1 suppliers, and we do most of the integration and testing in this facility. As you can see, it's a very large facility, mainly designed for R&D, and this is a blueprint of our facility for the US, where we'll have the same facility, only 3 or 4 times bigger, with automated production.